I want to end though with a story that is saddening. At least 11 children have died after consuming cough syrup in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. The center has now issued an advisory to limit the use of cough syrup for young children, especially those below the age of 2. The total children who've died has come to 11, but the government also denies that toxins were in any way associated with what happened. Either way, cough syrups have to be taken carefully. It's our Get Real India story.
A medicine that is common consumption for children is now at the center of a deadly health controversy that is anything but common. At least 11 child deaths have been linked to cough syrups over the past fortnight, with 2 deaths being confirmed in Rajasthan and 9 deaths being reported in Madhya Pradesh's Chhindwara district. In Rajasthan, the children were given a cough syrup containing dextromethorphan hydrobromide. The manufacturing company, Keson's Pharma, is under the lens for supplying substandard drugs to government hospitals in Rajasthan. It was penalized once in 2023 and then in February 2025 for violation of the Drugs Act.
यहाँ पर हम आए हैं देखने के लिए कोई है या नहीं है, मगर ताला बंद पड़ा हुआ है। 3 दिनों से जब से ये मामला सामने आया है तब से ताला बंद है। पीछे के साइड में एक गार्ड मिला है, अभी जो परसों ही रखा गया है, और इसके अलावा जो पूजा के फूल आए थे यहाँ पर, वो भी गार्ड के रूम के बाहर है। जो गार्ड यहाँ रहता था उसे भी कंपनी ने हटा दिया है।
However, the company's cough syrup has now passed the drug test. Health department sources claim overdose is to blame for the deaths. Earlier, when we spoke to the owner of Keson's Pharma, Virendra Gupta, he too had blamed overdose.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हम पहली बार ही बना रहे हैं सब। 10-12 साल से हम सप्लाई कर रहे हैं, हम क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स कर रहे हैं। ये जो मामला है अभी हम इस बारे में कुछ कह नहीं पा रहे हैं, बाकी ओवरडोज का ही लग रहा है सर हमें भी, क्योंकि ये जो दवाई है डेक्स्ट्रोमेथोर्फेन, इसका असर जो होता है वो CNS डिप्रेसेंट ही है। ये दिमाग को सुन करके और खांसी को बंद करने का कार्य करता है।
The Rajasthan Health Department has suspended Dr. Palak Kulwal and pharmacist Pappu Kumar Soni for administering the controversial cough syrup. In Madhya Pradesh too, the radar has now shifted from the manufacturers to the prescribers. Sources in the Central Drug Standard Control Organization have told India Today that until now, their testing has found no contamination of cough syrup samples in Madhya Pradesh.
And another big revelation is the advisory that has been issued by the DGHS, and they have said that children less than 2 years of age should not be prescribed cold and cough medications. In fact, children up to the age of 5 years should not be given these cold and cough medications because of certain chemical components that may impact their kidneys, leading to kidney failure as well as death.
The deaths have reignited the debate over whether children even need cough syrups. The Health Ministry has now issued an advisory to all states and union territories, urging rational use of cough syrups amongst children under 5 years. With Sharat Kumar and Milan Sharma, Preksha Jain for India Today.